How to get red wings in Evony. So you have to put in mind that to get this red wings is basically very hard since you are competing with the other players and most likely the pay to win players as well. So not just free to play. But you should be able to find the specifics and how to get the red wings directly here in your emblem list and then into your glory. Go ahead to invisible hero and go to invisible hero again, and here, this is where you can find the red wings. Over here it says you have to join the Battle of Constantinople and meet any of the following conditions. So basically any of these four and you will be able to unlock the glory benefits. The first one is to reach 200 in all servers in one season. The second one is to reach the top 200 in the continent ranking in one Ultimate War season. Reach the top 400 in all servers ranking or continent season ranking 4 times, and reach the top 800 in all servers ranking or continent season ranking 8 times. So you can go ahead and choose whichever here you can follow up, but if you do one of these, you will be able to unlock the invisible hero glory benefits. But that is how you unlock the red wings or the invisible hero wings in Evony. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.